Welcome to our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 7770X and the AMD Ryzen 79800X3D. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, performance, and value of these two powerful processors. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, choosing the right CPU is crucial for your setup. Let's find out which one reigns supreme. Let's start by comparing the technical specifications of both processors. The Ryzen 7770X features a base clock of 4.5 GHz and a max boost clock of 5.4 GHz, while the 9800X3D has a base clock of 4.7 GHz and a max boost clock of 5.2 GHz. Both processors have 8 cores and 16 threads, but the 9800X3D boasts a massive 96 MB L3 cache thanks to its 3D V-cache technology, compared to the 7700X's 40 MB. This difference in cache size can significantly impact gaming performance, making the 9800X3D a better choice for gamers. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of each processor. The Ryzen 7770X offers an excellent price-to-performance ratio at $399, making it a great choice for both gaming and productivity. However, it has a smaller L3 cache and slightly lower gaming performance compared to the 9800X3D. On the other hand, the 9800X3D, priced at $479, delivers exceptional gaming performance with its larger cache, but may not offer significant advantages in non-gaming tasks. It's important to weigh these factors based on your specific needs. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 7770X and the 9800X3D are powerful processors that cater to different needs. If you're looking for a well-rounded CPU that offers great value, the 7700X is an excellent choice. However, if gaming performance is your top priority, the 9800X3D is the way to go with its advanced caching technology. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Thank you for joining us in this comparison of the AMD Ryzen 7770X and the 9800X3D. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.